Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you kung paano po maglo-load gamit ang Gcash. Yan, so just keep on watching until to the last part para malaman kung paano. And kung bago ka sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to click subscribe para updated ka sa mga tutorial videos na ina-upload ko. So first thing that we're going to do is hanapin natin yung Gcash app. Then once nandun na tayo sa Gcash app, and enter lang natin yung MPIN natin. Never share your MPIN for you not to scam or hack. And so in here, by the way, make sure na meron tayong maintaining balance, no? Bago tayo mag-process ng any transaction, whether kung load man yan, pay bills, send money, etc. Kapag nandito na tayo sa Gcash, and mga makikita natin, merong cash in, send money, G-Save, then buy load. Yan, dito tayo syempre sa buy load. Click natin yan. Then, once na-click natin yung buy load, ito na yung mag-appear doon. Dito tayo sa telco load. Ito na yung mga network, different network. Yan, so, bago tayo mag-load, kailangan na natin alamin kung anong network yon. So, in here, TNT yung loadan ko. So, I will click TNT. Then, next naman yan is we're going to put and ilalagay na natin yung number na luludan natin. Then, click lang natin yung next. And then, dito, nakalagay, are you sure the telco and number you're buying load for is correct? And so, syempre, click lang natin yung yes, proceed. And so, it's good no na may ganito kasi sometimes, no, syempre, tao lang din naman tayo. Hindi tayo perfect. Minsan, nalilito tayo sa numbers. So, then, yan. So, to make sure, no, para madodouble check natin. Kaya, meron siya laging ganon. Then, kapag okay na sa numbers, ito naman yung mag-appear. Anong klaseng load yun? So, meron dyang regular, merong all-in, merong surf, and then merong call and text. Yan yung mga makikita natin. So, balik tayo dun kay regular. Since ang niloload sa akin is regular, load lang. And dito may different amount dyan, no? Kung ano yung, or magkano yung iloload. Yan, meron 10, 15, 20, 30, 50, and so on and so forth. So, in here, by the way, kahit may nakalagay na dyan or may automated na amount dyan, kung ano magkano yung iloload, it's up to you pa din, no? Let's say 12 pesos ang kailangan na regular load, so you can type in naman po. Yan, pwede nyo yan i-type na 12 lang kailangan, or kaya naman 22 pesos, 101, ganoon po, pwede. But here in my case, yan, 10 pesos lang po yung niloload sa akin. So, I will choose 10 pesos. Click lang natin yung next. Then, yan yung makikita yung payment. Next naman, click natin yung pay 10 pesos. Then, after that, makikita na natin yung payment transaction natin. So, nakalagay dyan payment receipt, no? Then, kung gusto nyo i-download, no, para meron kayong extra copy ng inyong receipt or yung payment transaction is you're just going to click this one. Yan, yun nasa baba ng done. And right after that, yan, nakalagay na dun is receipt save. Then, click lang natin yung okay. Ayan, so later on, I'll be showing you saan makikita yung resibo na yan. And so, after na, ma-okay natin, ito na yun. Then, click lang natin yung done. Ayan, so okay na. Now, we're going to check, no, yung una, yung confirmation niya doon sa messages natin. So, ito po siya. Hi, you have paid 10 pesos of Gcash. Yan. And yung isa naman, the other one na dinownload natin. Yan. So, sa gallery natin siya makikita. Sa pictures. And then, ayan po siya. Yun. And that will be all, guys. I hope you enjoy watching. I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo. And I hope may natutunan kayo from it. And, yun lang. See you on my next vlog. Stay safe, everyone. Bye!